Yo, cuz, what we doing today?
Yo, we are in Bumblefuck, New Jersey, going to get parts for the GTI. This is about to be crazy.
We drove a whole hour just to get over here. Break.
We're in Montyville Township, wherever that is. We are 2 minutes away.
2 minutes away, cuz. Cuz, I think these are BBS. Are they reps though? Don't touch. This is don't touch. Cuz, you mint.
This is chopped. That's fucking.
Yeah. So we will be right back. We get the tools and we come back. We drove all this way for some $40 each pieces of metal. Are they 40 bucks each?
Like brand new?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I mean, all the tools are kind of unorganized anyway. And a white tee working is crazy. Yeah, it's very good. It's not like it matters anyway. Cause I know you hype right now.
If I could figure out how to take this out, I'll be even more hype.
YouTube.
Smart guy. Oh. Now we have to connect the jump pack so we can get the hatch open. We took off some parts. This is what we got so far. Oh, the shadow. We got the two top radiator support brackets. We got an interior piece there. Now we just need a few things from the back. Unfortunately, they didn't have this. They didn't have the headlight support bracket that we need. That. And the trunk is not opening. That's good news.
Huh?
What the fuck just poked me, bro?
That is.
Just don't rip it. We ripped it once.
You ripped it. You ripped it.
We ripped it.
No, there's no we in rip. You love blaming me.
Kadal, pak mo kadal, bro.
There's no kadal, cuz.
How are we gonna remember the orientation of how it goes?
Dirty part on top.
I guess.
We just got a nice steal on everything.
Radiator support brackets, check. Foam bash bar cover for the back, check. Rear muffler heat shield, check. Rear exhaust hangers, check. Rear hatch striker, check. Rear hatch seal, check. Rear hatch cover, we got that. Interior sunglass holder, check. All we're missing right now is the rear bumper, the driver's side headlight bracket, and the front bumper. And we're good.
But the front bumper is gonna take us a little longer to find. This is an R bumper you want.
That, yes.
And plus, we may have something special coming up too. And you already know what it is.
I don't even think I know what it is. Oh, yes. Yes. It's kind of one of those while we're there already mods.
Yeah.
You know?
Cuz.
You guys will see the video.
This is my good hat too. I wasn't even supposed to come today.
Bro, I got freaking, like...
You got banged up?
I got banged up here, bro, on my arm.
Cuz I'm a mechanic and a doctor.
Yes, bro.
And a doctor.
That is a bless right there.
Hey, listen, if you guys need to get stitched up, call me.
You do not want to call him. That's the last thing you want to do.
I clean that up with dirty hands.
You don't want to call him for nothing. No mechanic needs, no doctoral needs.
Okay, mechanic needs is crazy. That's what I'm going to school for, guys.
Don't go to him for mechanic needs. He's gonna fuck your shit up.
That's so foul.
We're in Kennewick, New Jersey.
Okay, I'm not a car for you to do.
Gotta do the cinematics.
Because what are you gonna get?
Alrighty, so we're back at the crib from the junkyard. So we're pretty much just missing the headlight bracket. We even have the rear hatch seal, a couple bushings, a couple other plastic pieces, and we got a few other things right here. Just gotta clean them up a little bit. And yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Cuz, where we going?
We may or may not be going to get an intercooler for the GTI.
So,
today we're in the small body Volkswagen GTI
small
Mark 8.
body.
Bro,
your car's
Chevy,
smaller.
Yo, the Chevy was a big body.
Yeah.
This is the small body. Where'd my navigation go? Passenger Princess, come in clutch, please. Thank you.
Passenger Princess is crazy. When you've been Passenger Princess for months.
No, I haven't. Now you're dragging it.
Months.
Months is crazy.
Months.
Like weeks. So, a few hours have passed from the recent clips, and we have acquired the intercooler for the Mark 6, and it was ready to be installed. But yeah, this is everything. The ARM Street 2 intercooler for the GTI. Let's install this bad boy. Right now I'm by myself because Laura had stuff to do, but let's get this installed over with. Just so you guys what I've done so far. So this is the pipe for the turbo outlet. It just connects here. You take out the old one. You put the new one. Comes all the way up to here. Then same thing on this side. This is the throttle body pipe. You undo this. You have to remove the horns here. Just move it off the bracket. We'll worry about the brackets later. Same thing with on this side. The bracket is out of the way. And then we take the piping, put it through here, and it comes all the way up to the front. Again, the horn is out of the way. This you're gonna have to take off. You just kind of like wiggle it around and then it'll come off. Alrighty, hoses are on both sides, the turbo outlet and the throttle body pipe. Brackets are on. These were a pain in the ass to put on. They were just not cooperating at all. Definitely had to use some force on these. But now it's time for the intercooler to get on. Freshly polished intercooler. Came out good. Here's the final look with the intercooler fully installed. Crazy difference. Guys, the goods came in. Mr. Lauren's gonna be unboxing it over here. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro, drop it.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna take off the plastic, there's no point.
It's the new headlights looking stiff. Someone else is looking. Oh nah. Oh, look at that shit looking crazy over there.
Nah, this shit really is meant though.
That shit is tough. We're about to install these bitches and they're about to look sick.
He's about to install them. Not me. I'm not the
Look at this guy looking spiffy. Look, he comes to work with Travis's on looking spiffy.
I'm not doing anything today.
That's crazy.
I'm too bougie to work right now. So we got a little of a dilemma. Talk to the camera.
I don't even think I want to.
Why not?
I'm pissed. They sent us the wrong wiring harness. It's a different harness. I already messaged them about it. And they said it's coming. It's going to be coming. It's a separate shipment. Separate shipping.
But the headlights do look fire. They look fat.
That's why the previous clips prior, you weren't in there to help me install the intercooler. You were nowhere to be found. You left me struggling. Wing or something. Yo, I was supposed to go get a carbon wing in a few days. And the guy messaged me, his son stepped on it and cracked it in half. So I was like, yes, perfect. And I was gonna get a fucking carbon engine cover. Now I don't know if I want to go get that because I'm pissed about the wing. Same guy. Well, the headlights will not be going on.
No, they will not.
Look at this guy getting all comfortable in the car.
Well, sorry, your chair's uncomfortable, and we weren't doing anything up until now.
You're not wrong. You don't have the right wiring harness.
They didn't send it to us.
They didn't send it to us, so now I have to wait for another separate shipment. And hopefully, at the beginning of the next video, the headlights will be installed. And we just have to wait for the rear bumper. That's going to be a part of next video as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned to catch us in that video. The car will remain with a no front bumper for a good amount of time because we have to find a go far bumper because I want a go far bumper. And I'm not settling for anything else.
Nobody's ever going to race them. They look at it and run.
I mean, not really, bro. It's a GTI. What are they going to expect?
Buy some slicks then.
Slicks. Slicks and bead. Yo, you know how much a pair of bead locks is?
More than a car's worth?
Yeah. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Laurent, you want to say anything to the camera before we dip?
Tunga Tieta.
If you understood that, what he said.